Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Ortizan X10 wireless speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, on the speaker you have to find the power button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. So let's do this right now. Click and hold the power button and take a look on this indicator.
Power on. Bluetooth.
Right now
Low power.
you can release.
Charge.
As you can see, this indicator is blinking and also the LED lights are also activated. So it means that everything is fine with our speaker. And the next, we have to go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on and select Ortizan X10 from available devices list.
Bluetooth is connected.
And as you can see, it's finished. Right now we are successfully connected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.